Alright, so welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be working on this Union Pacific Lifelike 040 that I got the other day. So, before we get started with it, let's test it. So this will be my first time doing this. I haven't actually been doing this for any restorations, just so that we can get a comparison at the beginning and end. So here's how it runs. That's backward. It's a bit wobbly and pretty loud and might have a crack gear. So, let's get to work on it now. So yeah, let's get into it. So, if you can't tell, I'm actually doing this at a different place than I've done all of my other restorations in the past. I just want to start doing them here instead. I do want to get a cradle for everything in the future. I also got screwdriver kit, so I'll be using basically the same type of precision screwdrivers from now on. Sometimes it makes it harder to unscrew it. But once you get traction, you can get them out. I'd like to get a nicer screwdriver set that has a better handle like my other screwdrivers were. There wasn't a hidden screw, just have to figure out how to get this out of here now. There. Now we've got the shell off. I think we're able to remove all this now. Should be. It's the drive rod. Looks like this gear has a small crack in it. It's a pretty big crack, actually. I'm gonna actually fix this crack first, and then I'll come back. So yeah, I've gotten that all done. It doesn't look like there actually needs to be much done to this. It looks really clean in here. The engine is wired backwards, so I'll have to fix that up, as well as the light at some point. I think all that I've really got to do is clean out all this grease in here. And it just needs some fresh oil. I'll use a screwdriver to pick some of the stuff out of here. Can't really get a toothpick down into there. Or Q-tip. I think we got the whole engine clean, so get out my oils. Get to work on lubricating it. Start with greasing up the worm gear here. Get a screwdriver out here. No, I'm not doing the best at this one. There. Got that grease in there pretty well worked in. Now I think I can get all the rods and everything situated back in place here. Start lubricating up everything here. Start with the 107. Get all these bearings first. Now we'll get that gear there. I used plastic cement to fix the cracked gear, so should be good for quite a while. Get that oiled up. Now let's put the whole thing back together. Sorry if I'm not talking here, I'm just trying to concentrate on getting it fixed. This frame is being kind of a pain to position. I think we got that frame in place, so screw the smaller screw back into place. Bigger screwdriver. Go with the other one for torquing it down. Those cheap precision screwdrivers aren't good at screwing this down. Like the previous owner didn't do a really good job with the light, because that doesn't work, or wiring, because it was actually wired backwards. If we get the screw in, we can go back in to test it. Let's go take this engine over to the track and see how it runs now. Alright, so I've got it all set up on the track. Let's see how it runs now. It's backward. Oh, the tender's derailed, but it seems to be running really well. It looked like the headlight was working too when I was fixing it. I don't know why it isn't working now. Yeah, it's running much smoother and quieter now. See how slow it can go. Yeah, it does pretty good, it seems. You can run at low speeds pretty consistently, so I'd say it's a success. So thanks for watching. I know it wasn't as good as most videos were, but I'm just trying to improve slightly different setup. I haven't worked on things in a while. So again, thanks for watching, and if you want to see another video with an 040, click on the screen around now.